Hi friends, this question is from MHT CET 2022. So what is the question? A body is rotating about its own axis, its rotational kinetic energy is x and its angular momentum is y. Hence, its moment of inertia about its axis is. So what is given here? Here angular momentum, which is called as y. So what is angular momentum? Angular momentum is nothing but I into omega. So we can say that y square is equal to I square into omega square. And rotational kinetic energy is given by x. So kinetic energy E, which is equal to x, is nothing but half into I into omega square. Right? Now, let us multiply and divide it by I. So, on multiplying and dividing it by I, we get x is equal to half into I square into omega square divided by I. Right? Okay. So now, tell me what is I square into omega square? I square into omega square is nothing but y square. So, x can be written as x is equal to half into I square into omega square is y square divided by 2I. Therefore, I can say that I is equal to y square upon 2x. So, answer is I is equal to y square upon 2x. So,